Welcome back. As a part of this video, we will understand data validation approaches for scenario 4 and 5. So what are the scenarios? Here, the scenario is source and target tables are on the same RDBMS database, but on a different server. And there is no permission to access the source DB. Let me repeat again. Both source and target are in the same RDBMS, but on a different server with no permission to access the source DB. And one more scenario is source and target tables are on different RDBMS database and there is no permission to access the source DB. Example being source is a Oracle DB, target is DB2, or you can say SQL Server with no permission to source DB. You don't have a permission to access the Oracle DB. In both these scenarios, what are the approaches? The first approach is create a temporary table in the target DB and then get the source data from a source in a flat file format and then load that into a temporary table, then apply the transformation on this table, compare that with the target table. That is one of the approach. The second approach is get the source data from a source in a flat file or a Excel format and then apply the transformation manually. Then download the target data into an Excel and perform a comparison in Excel. This is one more approach. As I have already indicated earlier, source might be in a flat file and target might be the table. In order to tackle this, we were using Excel in the previous scenario. But the question is, can Excel file hold all the data? Don't you think Excel has its own limitation as compared to the RDBMS? Yes, it does have a limitation. It cannot hold as many records as that of a database. So what is the solution then? We do have a solution. That is data sampling. Let us look at what is data sampling in the next video. Thank you.